Nari Shakti Adhiniyam. Is it just it is just a step towards women empowerment or just a political tokenism? So in my opinion, if we see towards the political, if we see at an angle from the political perspective, it is an agenda to gain the vote and to set the women at the front of the desk, and but behind that it is ruled by the man of the political party. It is just to make a fool to get a vote from the people, and the people of India will think like, and the women, and it is main target to get the vote from the women, and this is the main agenda of all the party, not any specific party. Now and but in opposite, if we see the women empowerment, like women empowerment will is to just for to raising the voice of women and make more and develop a stage for the women to rule on the India, to make better opportunity in India in every field, like in education, in army, and in also many other field. Like in earlier, women don't have any chance to get in the party, to get out from the home, to get the job, and many other things also happen in the earlier. But nowadays India has changed, and it become more, it will be a more it is more favor for women to emerge out as a women empowerment scheme. Like if we see the women can now job, and go into the army and serve there for the country also. And also it is, and also some of the women are also in the political party, like Nirmala Sitharaman, which is our finance minister, and take some step for our India, and also and many other things, like women has emerged. And also it is important, if our women are on the political party, they will be more favor for women, they will be think about women's security, and develop the more opportunities for women, and pass the bill which is beneficial for the women, and work on the women's safety, and also for the women helps, and many other things. That's what I wanted to speak.